Hi, welcome to a new video of digital emergency meter light. Actually, I am using this for monitoring solar production. Actually, you can see the meter itself, meter details. I have purchased this from Amazon. It's a QuickSense meter. Actually, amiciSmart also dealing the same meter. It has a capacity of 20 amps. You can see it's manual. It's coming with a manual and following things, one warranty card and then this certification. I will show the meter and the details. Based on the manual, we can see that on the connection 2 and 3 are common. That means they are the same. We can either take either of these two lines. I have created an extension box using this meter. Actually, it will monitor the current going through this extension box. Then I have provided two plugs for taking output. Actually, if we don't need, we can turn off that blue light by pressing this button. Just a second. It's a little bit difficult to press. Actually, yeah, it's actually pretty accurate. Actually, I have tested with my digital meter. It's also showing similar reading. If you press again, it will turn on the light. I will go through its detailed connection. It is very useful if you have to monitor a circuit output, or right now I am using this for testing the solar output. Actually, I have connected this to a solar inverter, so I can monitor the total consumption of the circuit. As per the box, it's saying that it can handle up to 4400 watts. That means 20 ampere. Then its accuracy level and working voltage is also specified. Okay, I will explain the connection in detail in a little bit. Also, just let me know in comments if you need more details about this device. This is the image of meter that I got from internet. Actually, you can see the parameters: the volt, wattage, then ampere, then PF, then total total consumption, then hertz. It's saying the volt, then current, the total usage, then also the power, frequency, and additional parameters. Using this button, we can turn on or off the blue backlight. This is the wiring diagram that they have provided for 20 ampere. Actually, I am using a 5 kilowatt meter. That means it's the 20 ampere connection. For the 100 ampere variant, they are using an external CT coil. This one don't need a coil because it's less than 20 ampere. Actually, here you can see that line 2 and 3 are common connections. Actually, we can just use these both, or we can just take connection from one. Then this is the connection diagram that available on net. Actually, here you can see that they have connected this, right? Actually, I think this one is correct, right? Just take neutral and line. That's it. Hope it will help you to identify how it's working. Actually, I have purchased this for 199. It's from Amazon, and it's saying QuickSense digital energy meter. If you want to buy that from Amazon, you can just search for this QuickSense AC 5 kilowatt digital energy meter, or you can also test for amiciSense. That's also the same. Both are the same meters, I believe. Just let me know in comments if you want more details about this meter or the accuracy or anything like that. Thanks for watching.